Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna talk about battery powered chainsaws. Now, I personally didn't think much of this idea. This is a Pinkway chainsaw. Got it from Amazon for Christmas last year. It came with two lithium-ion batteries. I really didn't think it would do a very good job. Here it is. It has real power. Take that out so I don't cut myself. This one here has little Allen screws for the bar, and then a knob for tightening the chain. It's very easy. It also came with an extra chain, I think a pair of gloves, a pair of glasses, and the battery lasts for quite a while, I'll tell you that. I've only used it for stuff up to about 5 inches around, 5 or 6 inches around. I'll cut down a few trees with it, no problem at all. It's got a sprocket tip on it. It's solid, fairly heavy. I don't know if it has it. No, it doesn't have a chain brake, but it's real controllable when you use it. My wife wanted to learn how to use it. I told her no. I don't want her cutting her hand off it.
I like to use that.
She's in that room. I'd like to learn how to use that.
Cut trees.
Come here once, huh?
Wait a minute.
Come here. But it's got a little oil reservoir. I filled it up once. I don't even bother with it. But I'm still on my first chain, and I have to say that I give it a total thumbs up. There might be bigger ones and smaller ones. I saw one on a show called Jack and Dan, where theirs had like a jaw right here, and it chainsawed, you know, you guillotine style down. That looked like that was pretty good one too. But this feels, when you're cutting with it, it feels like, and you're holding it, it feels like a real chainsaw. So I just think how nice it would be, you know, if you're making a blind or something for hunting, or clearing a lane out in the country. You know, you take your two batteries with you, and you'd be set. Now, I did put this in a pack to go over to the mother-in-law's house to cut some walking sticks. You might have seen that video. This and the battery and an extra battery and my water container was quite a load. I went over on my bike, but with the car though, it's nice. You just throw it in the trunk, and the best part of it, you don't have gas in the house. You know, very best part. But take it for what it's worth. Pinkway. It was under $100, and I'm real happy with it. So take it easy, everybody. See you later.